non-small cell lung cancer that has spread.
Smell, honey.
And whose tumors do not have an abnormal EGFR or ALK gene. Keytruda helps your immune